Becoming a freelancer involves several steps and considerations. Here's a general guide to help you get started. Identify your skills and strengths. Determine the services you can offer as a freelancer. Consider your professional experience, expertise, and any specialized skills you possess. Choose your niche. Narrow down your focus to a specific area or industry where you can specialize. Having a niche can help you stand out and attract clients who are looking for your specific skills. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio that showcases your best work and demonstrates your capabilities. If you're just starting out and don't have previous client work to showcase, consider creating personal projects or volunteering to gain experience and create examples of your work. Set your pricing. Determine how much you will charge for your services. Research market rates and consider factors such as your experience, expertise, and the value you provide to clients. It's also important to be flexible in the beginning to attract clients and build your reputation. Create an online presence. Build a professional website or create profiles on freelancing platforms. Include information about your skills, experience, portfolio, and contact details. Establish a presence on social media platforms relevant to your industry to connect with potential clients and showcase your work. Network and market yourself. Reach out to your existing contacts, colleagues, and friends to let them know about your freelancing services. Attend industry events, join professional groups or forums, and actively engage in conversations to expand your network. Utilize online platforms and social media to promote your services and connect with potential clients. Start pitching and applying for projects. Look for freelance opportunities on job boards, freelancing websites, and social media groups. Craft personalized pitches and applications that highlight your skills and demonstrate how you can help clients achieve their goals. Provide excellent service. Once you start working with clients, deliver high-quality work and provide excellent customer service. Satisfied clients are more likely to recommend you to others and provide positive reviews, which can help you attract more clients in the future. Manage your finances and contracts. Set up a system to manage your finances, including tracking your income, expenses, and taxes. Create contracts or agreements for your clients to protect both parties and clearly define the scope of work, payment terms, and other relevant details. Continuously learn and improve. Stay updated with industry trends and technologies. Invest time in expanding your skills, taking courses, attending workshops, and keeping up with the latest developments in your field. This will help you stay competitive and provide better value to your clients. Remember, freelancing requires self-discipline, strong communication skills, and the ability to manage your time effectively. It may take time to build a solid client base, so be patient and persistent in your efforts.